versus Jaina.
You asked for it.
I must protect the wild.
I think I keep both these. These 3 cards. And well, turn 1 Spire Tank, turn 2 Spire Tank into
Hello.
what? I think Spire Tank's pretty good unless he plays Flame Cannon.
I'll show them. I'll show them all.
I'll show him. Is that a freeze mage? Just in case he has mirror entry.
Portals online.
It's not a mirror enemy. Well, I think it's a nice block. Right. Frost Nova. Why does he want to Frost Nova this board? It's just 8 damage. What can you do next turn? Maybe Frost Nova and Doomsayer. Sludge Croucher. Oh, that's interesting. Because... well, maybe I should play my swipe. And trade with... I don't want to trade with. I don't want to hit with Spire Tank and then my Mech Warper. All right, maybe that's a duplicate. I don't know whether I should I double Savage Roll? If I double Savage Roll here. Right, double Savage Roll it is. $15. How do I get 15 for him? It's not 15. This is. Right now, there's no ice block. Now, what can you do? You might want to play double Death Lord, but it just doesn't really stop. Oh wow!
Death does not scare me. Does not scare me.
Does that stop me from killing him? I don't think so. Okay. let's see. How do we? No, let's. I'm not sure whether I should play my Lothar this turn. I think
Time waits for no
I think I need to play it.
all the while.
Hope he doesn't have a second Frost Nova. Or maybe Ice Block. I don't know. Ice Block, that causes him the whole turn. And I think I can still... I can still pop his Ice Block and set up lethal for next turn. Alright, he decided to... Ooh, go for face. Now what?
Well played. You win.